Hello my friends, this video is a quick overview of an ebook that I called the Russian-English Dictionary of Knitting Terms. It is a collection of knitting terms that are often used in knitting patterns published in the Russian language, all those patterns that we often see on Pinterest and elsewhere on the internet. The first column of the dictionary hosts Russian abbreviations. The second column lists the full form of each knitting term or phrase, and in the third column you will find an equivalent of that knitting term or phrase that is commonly used in patterns published in English. So with this dictionary you will be able to figure out the instructions for most of those patterns. To help you navigate through a pattern, I divided all terms into 6 groups: general terms, materials, stitch patterns, parts of a garment, knitting instructions, and finishing. I do hope that you will find this dictionary helpful. You can download it at no charge from the Library of Free Knitting Resources at tenroseday.com/library.